revert that 70
You are saying you can do better development.
Wait, I will tell
than
you. Give me 1 minute. You know, I brought 100 crores for solid waste management. I brought 20 crores for Santinez Nala. All these things, we pass a resolution saying that since we are not capable enough, we are not technically sound, since we are not technically sound, that we should hand over to GISRTC. 8 months we have handed over to GISRTC. Who was the chairman of the GISRTC? The MLA of Panjim. Who was MLA of Panjim? The chief minister. 8 months, you tell me what has happened to these two projects. And what did this MLA do?
तुझ्या आणि मनोहर पर्रीकराच्या झगड्या भितर पणजेकरांनी सफर जावो.
ना कशें जातलें?
तेच जालें न्ही.
कशें?
आनी कितें?
हांव खंय झगडी करता? हांवें पयशे हाडले न्हू. आतां तो कोण जाल्यार लोकांनी ताका कास्तीक दिवपाचें आतां न्हू. तेजे कॅन्डिडेट तो बसयतलो न्हू. सो तेन्ना ताका दाखोवपाचें न्हू. हांवें कितें केलां?
You are not at fault.
I am not at fault. I brought the money. It's a proof. The DPRs which were hanging on for 9 years, when I took over, I did it at a jiffy like this and got the money. It's a proof. I can challenge anybody on this ground.
So you are saying that you can do better development than Babush Mansara?
Definitely, why not? I am not capable enough. Only he is capable enough. I am also capable enough. If I could do wonders as an independent corporator for last 25 years, if I become an MLA, you think I will not able to do it?
Even in the opposition?
Even in the opposition. Why? No government stops an MLA in doing development work if he sincerely goes only for development and not for other files. It's a proof, living proof.
हाँ, इतल्याचे ब्रेक घेता आणि खूपशे प्रश्न उरल्यात. सुरेंद्रबाब मनातल्यान तळमळीन उलयतात आणि पणजेकरांचे खूपशे प्रश्न तांचे कडेन उलोवपाचे उरल्यात. खंयच वचनाका. 2 मिनटां भितर परत येतात. परत एक फावट येवकार तुमकां आमचे बरोबर आसा सुरेंद्रबाब फुर्तात. सुरेंद्रबाब, आतां जनरली 4 जाणांची नांवां येतात. एक तुमचें नांव येता, एक बाबुशाचें नांव येता, एक सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकराचें नांव येता आणि चवथें इवन आयरिश रॉड्रिक्साचें नांव येता. हाऊ आर यू एनालायझिंग ऑल 3 persons who can be the potential opponents of yours in the election?
See, my friend Pramod, when the cricket starts, there's a scoreboard.
Aye.
It says 0-0.
Aye.
When Suren Furtado bats, 3,500 is only on the scoreboard. Show me which other fellows have got it. I challenge.
You are considering all the votes from your ward to you?
I have got my votes, I got my sympathizers, I got Congress votes, I got fence sitters, and I got people who really want to say, oh, come on, let's give this man a chance. He's been slogging for so many years. I'm appealing to you.
You are starting at...
No,
okay.
I'm appealing to you, to your channel. Give me a chance. Vote me.
You are,
if I don't
you
develop,
are starting
if
at
I don't develop,
3,500.
yes, if I don't develop, kick me out, vote me out in the next election.
Okay. You are starting
I
at
want to-
3,500. Yes. Let's go to other candidates.
Yes.
What will be the starting point of Babush
I don't
Mansara in
know.
Pandi?
I don't know.
More than Suren Furtado or less than Suren
Listen,
Furtado?
Pramod, my friend, I have decided not to speak for others.
BJP has a strong base in Pandi.
BJP has
so
strong
Siddharth
base.
Kukalkar is
Listen,
not zero.
BJP has strong vote because of one man called Mr. Manohar Parrikar.
Otherwise, BJP is zero in Pandi.
Where people across this thing voted for him because he gave lot of assurances.
What are you saying? Without Manohar Parrikar, BJP is nothing in Pandi?
We will see, why talk unnecessarily? I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments. I only want to say I am contesting and I am the winning horse.
You are getting into election. How can you be without hurting anybody? You will have to defeat somebody.
I will say what are my developments. I will say what I have done as a mayor. I want to bring the past glory of Panjim. I want to, once I die, we all have to die. Once I die, the people say, here was Suren Furtado, who was a honest councillor, a good corporator, and an excellent MLA.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांग, जेन्ना हे 3 जाण बाकीचे तुजे अगेन्स्ट इलेक्शनाक उबो रावपाचे पळयतात, हाउ डेंजरस can BJP prove to you in Pandi? Because BJP has an organizational base, BJP has cadre, and BJP is thinking of providing a candidate who comes up from the cadre. दुसऱ्यांक खंयच्यान तरी भायल्यान हाडलो, बसयलो, अशें कांय ना. So they are going in a very systematic way. How strong is this threat for a person who has been in Pandi politics for more than 2.5 decades?
See, In politics, you keep your trump card close to your chest.
So this is not a trump card question, Surendra.
I don't want to disclose everything of mine. Let the election date be announced. Gradually, you will see who is with Surendra Prasad, who is not with Surendra Prasad. I don't want to say who is with me now. That's election gimmicks. The more you freeze, people don't come to know. These are the words Dr. Wilfred used to say. When you stand for election, you must freeze the patient. Don't put banners, don't put this thing. So the opponent will think Adifal is sleeping. Do underground movement.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा, तुमकां समजा फाल्यां काँग्रेसीची तिकीट मेळ्ळी. काँग्रेस डजंट हॅव ऑर्गनायजेशनल बेज इन पणजी. काँग्रेसीन स्वताचो एक कॅन्डिडेट सुद्दां कन्सिस्टंटली पणजे डेव्हलप केलो ना. तो मागीर मॅच फिक्सिंगे लागून आसूं नाल्यार खंयच्याय कारणां लागून आसूं, काँग्रेस नेवर बॉदर्ड अबाउट डिव्हेलपिंग पार्टी युनिट इन पणजी. अशे परिस्थिती भितर हू आर युअर फूट सोल्जर्स?
I fully agree. I told you, my trump card is close to my chest.
This is also a trump card question now.
I will tell you, my friend Pramod, that Panjimites don't require workers. Panjimites are very well educated people. They know exactly whom to vote, whom not to vote. During parliament election, how many foot soldiers did Congress have to get so many votes? Tell me. There were offices in South Goa which were locked. Did they get a vote or not? You don't require foot soldiers. You require the hearts of the Panjimites who will say, yes, this man has been waiting for last 25 years, let's give him a chance. I'm appealing to your channel. Give me a chance. No, give me a chance to be MLA. If I don't perform, vote me out in the next term.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा, ह्या सगळे तुमगे जे गिमिक सद्याक चालू आहात, प्रत्येकटो सांगता आपण कॉन्टेस्ट करतलो. अल्टिमेटली 2 ते 3 मेजर प्लेयर्स ह्या एकूण सगळे चित्रां भितर आसतले. सगळे जाण तुमचेर आरोप करतले की फाटली 2 वर्स तुम्ही मेयर आसात. तुम्ही पणजे खातीर कितें केलें? तुम्ही जे आश्वासनां दिवन मेयर जाल्ले, पयल्या दिसाक म्हाका तुमची प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स सुद्दां याद आहा. तुम्ही जी स्वप्न दाखयिल्लीं तातूंतली तुम्ही कितली पूर्ण केली? जेन्ना मेयर म्हूण तुम्ही कांय फुलफील करपाक शकना आनी तुम्ही ब्लेम मनोहर पर्रीकराचेर घालतात, तेन्ना MLA म्हूण तुमच्या लोकांनी कित्याक विश्वास दवरचो?
प्लीज अंडरस्टँड. तेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकर MLA आशिल्लो, चीफ मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले.
परत ताजेरच घालता.
सांगता. He didn't want that I should perform. Now he is no more in Panjim. He is a defense minister. I wish him all the very best. I want him to one day become the PM of India too. I wish him all the best. Let him look after the defense of this thing. Let him leave Panjim to me. Because I am capable enough. You have any doubt of that?
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, मेन 2 इश्यू पणजेकाराचे. एक गार्बेज, दुसरो पार्किंग. ह्या 2 इश्यूंचेर आय एम टेलिंग यू व्हेरी फ्रँकली, आमकां सगळ्यांक तुमचे कडच्यान अपेक्षा आशिल्ली. बेसिकली बिकॉज द वे यू हॅव डन इट इन युअर वॉर्ड, एवरीबडी वील एग्री दॅट अनडाउटेडली. You feel bad that you failed to solve these crucial problems for whatever reasons.
My dear friend Pramod, how can I fail? Where is the dumping site? I am the king only of Panji. Am I the king of Goa? The king of Goa is Manor Parrikar for last 20 years.
You're again blaming him.
Yes, because the government has to give me a dumping site. Without a dumping site, we know what we are doing at night. Number 1. Number 2, you know that I took forward what was trying to be implemented by then 2 mayors, I don't want to name them, of the pay parking. You know, you have been reading the papers.
Correct.
I have done everything. Some people have got individual shops. Some people feel that if pay parking goes through, that I will get credit. Nobody is interested in the citizens of Panjim. Now somebody has filed a PIL in the High Court against the pay parking, that why pay parking is not coming. They put all the cuttings and I have received this thing. So if the court, Honorable High Court directs us to do, what it will prove that we 30 corporators are useless. So I feel
हे 2 इश्यू आपण आपल्या टेन्युअरा भितर सॉल्व करपाक शकलो ना. You feel bad about it.
No, शकलो ना. No, how? If the opposition are trying to sabotage the people's happiness, am I responsible? The garbage, do you find sting in the
opposition within your opposition, within your ruling?
No, nobody is opposing that. No. Only one fellow who is opposing, I don't name him. The whole of Panjim knows who he is. Got a point, no? he has been sabotaging this thing. But once the court directs us, we will implement. Everything is ready. Charles Correa Foundation has done everything.
तुमकां दिसता की
Pay parking will be done.
इलेक्शनाचे कितें जाता तें जाता.
Pay parking will be done.
पार्किंगाचो इश्यू सोडोवपाक शकतले.
Pay parkingaचे सोडू जातले within a month or so.
What if BJP takes credit saying that we brought the multi-story parking?
Where did BJP bring a multi-story parking? Where did they bring? Where did they bring?
At the cruise point.
Which cruise point? You are not aware that Nilkan Halankar, when he was a tourism minister in Congress, NCP Congress government, it was that this thing. Even the tourism Bhavan, which is there in Pato, it was during the Congress time. When Nilkan was the.
You are not giving that credit to BJP.
You tell me now in center, the Prime Minister has been inaugurating big ships and going to the space. In 6 months, you can build anything. Don't fool the people, please. And I would not like to fool the people.
How would you rate your performance as mayor of Panji on a scale of 10?
You ask people of Panjim. If I say
people of Panji will vote now.
No,
I am asking your assessment about yourself.
See, listen. As a mayor, I brought by next month will be 11 trucks. As a mayor, I brought 15 ACs for the. You have been to my CCP office. You come and have coffee with me.
I am not a big corporate man, so I am better to be a journalist.
Yes.
I'll have coffee and chai here only.
I had painted the internal thing to CSR. I have got one hearse.
How many marks to your performance on a scale of 10?
So far, I think it should be 8.
So 80%?
Yes.
Distinction?
Yes.
Sure distinction?
Yes.
इतल्याचेर थांबता. सेम कॉन्फिडंट सुरेन बाब जे बिंदास्त उलयतात मेकळेपणान उलयतात आनी कितें आसता मनांतलें सांगतात आनी स्वताक 8 मार्क दिल्यात धातले आनी त्याच बरोबर ते सांगतात की आपल्याक जर काँग्रेसीन तिकीट दिलें ना जाल्यार काँग्रेस आपल्या चुकांतल्यान कांयच शिकलें ना अशेंच गोंयकारांक धरचें पडटलें. आयले मेकळेपणान इतली चर्चा केली सुरेन बाब. थँक्स लॉट. इट वॉज प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू.
थँक्यू.